So how to open up a HSBC savings account? So to apply for a HSBC savings account, if you open up the HSBC app, you'll just want to click on Explore More Products right here. Then once you've done that, click on Savings. Then it will give you a list of all the savers and ISAs that you can set up with HSBC. So for the example of this video, we're going to set up a flexible saver, but of course, have a look around and decide which one is right for you. Then once you've clicked on the savings account you want, you'll just get a little bit more detail about the type of saver it is. And to set one up, click Get Started. And then once you've done that, you'll be pulled through to a page that looks like this, which will just explain your saving account in more detail. And if you're happy with it, click Continue. And then just review your details. Click Continue again. And then you'll be brought through to your terms and conditions. So give them a read. And if you agree, you can click Submit at the bottom. And there you have it. And you'll be presented with your new saving account bank details. And if you come back to your app's homepage, you should see your new HSBC savings account in the dashboard here. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.